Facial lifting PDO threads are blowing up social media feeds with the promise of making you look snatched. I'm not sure snatched is a good thing.
People want to look snatched. To me, it means they want to look overdone and a little weird.
Yeah. The hashtag PDO Threads has hundreds of thousands of posts with some pretty incredible looking before and after results. But joining us to expose a dangerous trend in the world of threading is our own investigative producer, Leslie Marcus.
Hi, guys.
This is pretty
Thank you.
important.
It's very important. There is a huge community of YouTubers that are DIYing these threading procedures on their face, and it is pretty expansive. So many videos, and they start with a disclaimer that says, I'm not a medical expert, I'm just trying this procedure on myself, even though all their viewers are trying to watch to learn the same thing. And they're doing this really to bypass YouTube's community standards.
Such a bad idea on so many fronts, but when you start talking about threads, Ben, as you know, then you're getting a little bit more invasive, and knowledge of the anatomy becomes even more important.
Yeah, and it's crazy that they have the YouTube videos for this. It's like having YouTube videos, putting a disclaimer, and then doing self-mutilation.
Wow.
It's a bit nuts.
It is so easy to get online, and I'm not talking about foreign websites. I'm talking about very popular big box retailers where I got a whole bunch of threads in 2 days, and people are sticking this stuff in their face, and this is a medical device.
I'm blown away that somebody would even consider doing this. So, Leslie, can you share what some of these DIYers are actually saying?
I can. One person writes, I really want to do the lip flip and Foxy eye lift with threads, but I don't know how deep I should put these threads in, and I'm so scared of pain and infections. The response to that, honey, I've done so much research, watched many videos. It's so easy. All you got to do is be calm, have patience, be cool, calm, collected. Remember, these threads go under the first layer of skin. Look at me now. I look as if I've been doing this for years, right? Second comment, I want to try these threads. I'm a little nervous though. Don't be nervous, love. Let the nervousness be your motivation.
Sweet but nuts.
Yeah.
So nuts. And then there's the so-called, I'm going to call him a predator, encouraging the cheerleader, oh, don't worry about it.
Yeah, it's like the Tony Robbins of self-mutilation. It's like they're telling you, go, 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 you can do it, cheerleading, and you really have no idea what they're talking about.
And highlighting how great of results you're going to get. She finishes off by saying, you can do it, just think about your after results. They become addicting.
Wow. Let's bring in thread authority Dina Ben David into the conversation. So, Dina, we know you train doctors and other medical providers how to properly use PDO threads. So, you heard it. It's unbelievable. What disturbs you the most about this disturbing trend?
Let's just start with the numbing medication that we use, right? Lidocaine is a cardiac medication that if we use too much of it, what can happen? Toxicity, death. If someone isn't well versed in these things, lay people that are not medical professionals, they certainly aren't able to deal or manage with it if that should occur. So that's first and foremost. Number two, lidocaine is a prescription product, right? So that means people are obtaining it on the black market and injecting something into their body without knowing really what it is, or even for that matter, where it came from. And the same goes for the threads. It is mind-blowing to me because this is a medical implant, you guys. And as surgeons, I'm sure this just blows your minds because people are implanting devices into their body that they're obtaining on the black market.